So my friend now is making some. What are you making?
Making some breadfruit drink.
Breadfruit drink.
Good morning, everyone, boys and girls. What we have here? We have here breadfruit. We're gonna make ourselves some lovely stamina drink. So people who keep complaining in the bed at night time, they have the right item in front of them. Check it. So right now I'm peeling a breadfruit. You don't have to wash it. You don't have to do nothing. You just need to slice it in half. Peel the skin off of it. You can peel it in any different shape you like, but I prefer it like dead chip shape, so I can get my knife better over it.
Right.
And then I also have a bowl of water, so you can keep the breadfruit moist and clean, so they don't be looking like this.
Right.
And leave them just like that. Yeah, so this is a whole breadfruit. Cut it in half. You don't need much to make gin because they give you plenty. One gives you 2 mugs of gin. Depends on the texture you like it. If you want it to be thick, like you want it to be runny, depends. So right now I'm going to slice this half of breadfruit. Potato chips shake.
So how many liters are you gonna make with these 2 breadfruits made?
Well, 2 breadfruit can give you 5 liters.
Okay.
5 liters, no. I never done it myself, but by the amount that 1 breadfruit gives, I can judge up to like 5. Much better than
That's 2 in it.
breadfruit to be at least
5 liters.
So right now we're here peeling the breadfruit, and then again, when you cut the breadfruit in potato chip shape, you don't just peel the skin off underneath. If you realize I cut in the belly of the breadfruit,
Okay.
that's where the toxins and everything, you don't need to be eaten. So like this one, you need to cut until you see a smooth surface on the breadfruit like this, on the inside.
Okay.
Then you peel the skin underneath. Oh yeah, one thing I'm gonna forget. Have this cinnamon bush. You can get in stores, supermarkets, anywhere. In Porter Farm, you won't find it like this. This is because it's come natural, it's organic. I just picked this from a tree across the road from me. I'm gonna use just 1 leaf, just to give the water flavor, so it can soak to the breadfruit. So the process of boiling.
Can you smell the cinnamon on the leaf?
You also smell the cinnamon where breadfruit is boiling, and it gives a nice flavor to the gin. You let it soak, so the breadfruit will soak it up. The breadfruit is like sponge, they absorb stuff, you know?
Right.
Like soaking things. So the cinnamon scent will soak right through the breadfruit. And just about to finish up soon. While I'm here, well, you can see right now, but I have a pot with water boiling. So when I get there, instead of waiting on my water to be hot, it's already boiling. So I just put my breadfruit in. I give it depends on the breadfruit. If the breadfruit is right, it will take up to 6-7 minutes boiling. If the breadfruit is weak, it can run up to 20 minutes boiling.
And how do you know if a breadfruit's ripe?
When the breadfruit is right, right now we're looking at a full breadfruit because of the white milk is running down on the outside. And I don't know if you can see, there are little shapes like diamond shape.
Yeah.
when those are, when you can see them clearly, that means the breadfruit is ready to cook. When you saw a breadfruit with just smooth skin, it's green. You know when a breadfruit is ripe when it's having these small back shape all over it, and milk running out of the skin.
Okay, like that one there.
Like this one.
Okay.
You know this is a full breadfruit.
See. So it doesn't feel soft or nothing as well?
No, it will get softer in about 3 weeks.
Okay.
And it's still solid. I can feel it like it's still, but it's already ready to cook.
But when it's soft, it's alright to eat as well?
Yes, it's okay to eat. You can tell a difference. Up here you normally see up here more yellowish. Give a little yellow turn. And the breadfruit itself is look orange on the inside. This one, this we call an overripe breadfruit.
See. No. Throw it in that hole there. That's the bin now. The new bin. Compass heat.
So back to the project now. We are still on the breadfruit peeling. As I told you, we have a pot of boiling water on the inside.
Okay. So how long would this one need to boil for?
Well, this one will just take up to 7 to 8 minutes because there's a mix between a full and a green. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place the full one in first, and I'm gonna leave the overripe one out for about 4 minutes. Then I place it in the pot to boil along with the.
So you don't need as much time. Right.
So we're here on the last piece. I normally bottle out these in 250mm.
Oh, yeah.
Bottle.
Not the 500.
500.
Okay.
Normally get them out in 50mm bottle, like water drinking bottle. This, what I have here, can give me 15 bottles, 15 to 12 bottles. Depends on how I make the drink. If I make it thick, I run myself less. If I make it runny, I will produce more. But
And you still get the same strength from it?
yes, but I prefer making it thick, so it drop.
Yeah.
Don't have to eat for about 3 hours.
Alright.
And also I tell you in the beginning, and I tell you again, if your lady is complaining on you in bed, I have the fear for you. She's gonna love you all night. So I have a little
Keep some of the ingredients
out.
out.
If me play this, yeah, why?
Yeah, you don't have to give him everything.
Yeah. But I think that's enough. So we just put the film time and we're now going to blend up now. So cleaning and preparing video done. Pause.